Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, woo, see?
Wow.
You can ride a bike, man.
We need a cone here
It'll
so people can slow down when they turn.
cone zone.
Yeah.
You ready? Here you goes.
Look straight.
Straight. Ready?
Keep pedaling. Nice.
It's the clips.
Hey, like a pedal.
Hey. Why we put train wheels on you?
Got it, man.
Be careful with my bike,
Yo, make sure the bike's straight, right?
Be careful
You
with
look
my
straight.
bike, yo. Be careful.
Okay, ready?
Yabang nito ah.
Bike's not straight. There you go.
Set.
Pedal straight. Kung nagpipidal si Kim, gumagano yung ano niya, yung paa niya, nagiging pigi.
Yay!
Siya na lang yata ang hindi nakakatubag eh.
Yeah, that's how she feels. Especially the first one.
Doesn't Island know how to?
Huh?
Island?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go look on the floor while I'm doing it.
CDP.
Pumunta ako kanina dun sa...
Oh my gosh, look it guys! Elijah! Oh! You okay, Brooklyn? Are you okay, guys? I got the crash on video.
Hey, yo, watch out with my bike. I'm stuck.
Cowabunga.
Babe, he's stuck.
Cowabunga.
Elijah's stuck. That's really...
The Cowabunga style, man. No fear.
I think you need a helmet.
I think he does too.
I can't find it.
Well,
Can you wear just one of Brooklyn's helmets?
Why?
No.
Do not send it to anybody then, okay?
not my new shoes.
Hmm?
Here you go.
You want me to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I cannot stand up. I cannot stand up.
Use your helmet first. Put your helmet on, boy.
Your butt's in the way, Daddy.
You're kind of crazy.
Don't go too fast ako.
Slow. He's got it, babe. Let him go. Let him go, babe.
Mama.
Let him go. Let him go.
Mother can't let go.